Okay, in this problem, we would like to find the derivative of the function f of x equals 1 over x at 4 by using the definition. So let's recall that there are two standard equations that we can use here. The derivative at a is the limit as x tends to a of f of x minus f of a over x minus a. And the equivalent definition that amounts pretty much to a change of variable, which is the limit as h tends to 0 of f of a plus h minus f of a over h. It is true that the second one is more popular, and we'll go with that one. So our solution here is as follows. F prime of 4 will be the limit as h tends to 0 of f of 4 plus h minus f of 4 over h, which is equal to the limit as h tends to 0 of 1 over 4 plus h minus 1 over 4 over h. And now the idea is to pretty much clear denominators and make this composite fraction into a simple fraction so as to eventually get rid of the indeterminacy. What I mean by this is if you try to plug in h equals 0 at this point, you will get 0 on the top and 0 on the bottom, and certainly that is not going to work. So here's what we do. We focus our attention on the top, and we multiply and divide each fraction by the denominator of the other fraction. So we will get 4 over 4 plus h times 4 minus 4 plus h on the top over, and let's put this in a parenthesis that will also emphasize, and the bottom will be 4 plus h times 4. And then all of this over h. So now we put the two fractions on the top under the same denominator. So this will be 4 minus 4 plus h over 4 plus h times 4 divided by h, which will be the limit as h tends to 0 of 4 minus 4 minus h over 4 plus h times 4 divided by h. And now 4 and 4 cancel each other. And this gives us the limit as h tends to 0 of negative h over 4 times 4 plus h over h. And here, it is a good idea to recall that in general, when you have a fraction a be divided by a number c, that's the same thing as a over b times c. Okay, and that's precisely what we're going to do here. So this will be the limit as h tends to 0 of minus h over 4 times 4 plus h times h. And this will be the limit as h tends to 0 of minus 1 over 4 times 4 plus h. And here we can just plug in h equals 0, and that will give us minus 1 over 4 times 4, which is minus 1 over 16. So that's the derivative, that's the slope of the tangent. So if we want to find the equation of the tangent, that is going to be y minus, in general, let's give the blueprint for that equation. That's y minus f of 4 is f prime of 4 times x minus 4, which of course is y minus 1 over 1/4 is equal to minus 1 over 16 times x minus 4. And this is the equation that we're looking for, the equation of the tangent. So we found both things. We found the derivative and we found the equation of the tangent. That's all we needed to do. Thanks for watching.